Hi friends, today we can learn how to use a screen recorder and its name is Xrecorder to create presentation videos. For that purpose we have to first open Play Store and type Xrecorder there. Its name is Xrecorder and just download it and install it. After installing it, just open it. While opening it, an orange icon will appear on the screen and it will be available in all screen. Okay, then if you need to record anything, we have to take some of the features of that tool. For that purpose, I click on that and touch on the second icon, in which we can open the camera. Okay, in that way we can open the camera, or we can switch off the camera too. Then we can use brush, and this brush tool will help to write on the screen. Okay, if you need to use that, and such a tool is available on the lower part of the screen. From here we can change the color of the tool, and we can reduce the size, and we can write annotate on the screen. Okay, now after use, if we want to remove one part of the line, we can use that also, we can remove that also. Okay, then after removing such part, no need to remove because it become a part of the recording if we want. Then after creating all those things, we can just close it. Then it may be available as tool in the left side. Okay, whenever we need it, we can open it to write. Then I now switch off the brush tool. Then we have to switch on the microphone in order to record our voice. Then there are two types of orientation here, landscape and portrait. We can switch on this mode. Usually it is as oriented as the mobile phone placed. And now I place the mobile phone in the portrait position, so the recording is also in portrait mode. Now how to create the PowerPoint presentations or presentation video. For that purpose, we have to open any presentation applications like WPS Office or MS PowerPoint, or any application which helps to open a PowerPoint presentation. Here now I open presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint itself, and in which I try to open one PowerPoint. Its name is psychological testing. Okay, that's a good presentation, and this in this PowerPoint presentation I have to switch on to slideshow by clicking this particular button. Now it is in slideshow mode, and now the orientation is changed. Now it is in landscape mode. Now I have to switch on this particular application and switch on the camera. Right, now camera is on. I have to place camera in a position where it is not disturbing much on the screen, and I have to reduce the size too and place in a particular area of the screen. Now click on this particular icon and touch on the record button. Record button is the first round circle button, and after clicking the button, I can explain the PowerPoint while looking into the camera. If I am looking into the camera, the students feels that I am looking to them. Okay, now the topic is intelligence and psychological testing. And what is intelligence? Intelligence is a capacity to learn from experience or adapt successfully to one's own environment. Okay, in this way I can explain the content, and after recording I can stop by clicking the same icon, and it will be saved as a video file in your gallery. From the gallery you can take it if you want to edit it, and you can upload into YouTube or directly share to your students. This is the main advantage of this particular screen recorder, and its name is its name is Xrecorder. In majority of the mobiles there are several recorders are available. Inbuilt recorder may be there. If it is there, do not go for this application, but the advantage of this application will demonstrate right now. Okay, wait. Now again I am coming back and close this camera, and now what is the advantage of this particular application Xrecorder is that in the third icon we can open the recorded files here. What are we can see the already recorded files, and I can edit the files. That is the main advantage. Welcome to today's topic on types of curriculum. Okay, now I stop this file and I would like to edit it. For that purpose, I have to click on this particular pen icon. And what are the options for editing? I can trim the end, both end of the file by just click and drag here. I can trim the ends. Okay, that is one of the use. The second use, I can increase or decrease the speed of the presentation, but it may make the voice not usable. So I will not change that. Then I can copy the file and again paste it there. What is the advantage is that if I want to remove one area of the of this file in the middle portion, I can remove up to this area, that is up to 9 minutes. I remove in the middle area, I remove up to 10, correctly 10. Okay, 10. And I want to remove a middle 1 minute. Okay, see, for that purpose I can take the copy of this file, and in which again from this part I can cut, and here I can cut up to the 11. Okay, that means in the first part I take the 10 minutes duration of the first part, and in the second part I take the last 11 minutes. That in between I can remove or trim one middle area. For that purpose this copy button helps. Then music, we can add a background music either directly from our gallery, or we can download it. In that way we can add some music. I may try to add one music. Its name is Raga. It may be there. If it is there, I will add. Yeah, this particular file. Yeah, that's a good file. Now it is, I think. Now, yeah, it is there, but it is not in the beginning, so I have to move it. Okay, now it is there. Just want to play it. I want to check whether its music is good. For that purpose, I have to play different types of curriculum. But I think there are 6 types of curriculum: ideological, formal, sanctional. But I think its sound is more compared to my voice. So I have to reduce the sound. I have to reduce the sound by clicking on the button, and can reduce in this way. I reduce the sound up to 10%. Okay, now it's good. Yeah, that much sound is only needed. Then I want to cut the remaining portion of the audio file. For that purpose I just click on split. Okay, then I can remove this particular area by deleting. Okay, now it's good. Okay, in that way I added the music to this file. In both pieces of the video we have to add that music. Then come to the text file, a text tool. Here I can directly type on this PowerPoint anything we need. Here I want to type curriculum. See, it's in the another orientation. We can rotate it. See, we can rotate it, we can reduce it, we can move it and place it anywhere. We can create a title slide using this particular tool, text tool. Okay, and we can play at a particular time for that text. See, up to from the starting point up to this area it will display. We can click and drag. Okay, yeah, and we can reduce the time also. Now this will display the first part of the video. From the beginning up to this area it will displayed. Okay, that's good. Now go for ratio. We can change the ratio of this file. I will not want to change it. In order to adapt the screen of the mobile phone, we can change. Then there are some more tools. We can crop it. We can crop the video into a particular size, and this may help to make to remove unwanted area from the video. Okay, this is one of the interesting tool here, the crop tool. Then we can rotate it. If you want to rotate in from portrait to landscape mode, such options are there. Okay, after making all these changes, we can just click save button on the top corner, and it will take some time to uploading. Yeah, it is saving. It is now going on saving. Yeah, now it is saved, and we can open the gallery to play it. I am moving to and here and search for the videos here. Yeah, now it is here. Now this video is playing. Welcome to today's topic on types of curriculum. Right? It is there. And this is the purpose of this particular tool, Xrecorder. Try it today itself. Thank you very much.